Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Odesiba. So what I normally do before I bake any cake and cover it, even in wedding and in birthday cakes, what I normally do is I make fondant first. We normally do in catering school then was the day we are baking, that is the same day we are making fondant. But just putting everything together, it will be very difficult for me. So I want to just make fondant today, and tomorrow I'll be baking the cake, and on Friday I will just cover the cake. I have a very detailed fondant recipe on my channel. You can check that out if you want to see how I make my fondant. So this is the gelatin. I have soaked it already, so I will just allow it to boom for some time. So what's special about today's video is I saw a clip in Dripo's cake. Dripo, when she was using mixer to mix her fondant, and for me it was interesting because to mix fondant with hand it's not easy. On today's video I will be trying it out, so for us to see how it's going to, but I'll be using my recipe. I'll be using the same recipe that I use with hands, so I'll be using it to make this fondant with standing mixer. So that's what this intro is all about. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. So this is the icing sugar I'm using. This is the type of icing sugar I see here. I did not see another type, so it's what I'm using for now. You know, in Nigeria it's a big pack that is 1 kg. So this is 125 gram. So I'll be using 1 kg. So I'll be using 1 kg of this. So let me just open it up and we'll continue the process. So I'm done sieving all the icing sugar. So to this icing sugar I'll be adding my CMC. So I'll be adding CMC. This is 1 tablespoon. So I'll be adding it to it like this. You don't need you don't need so many CMC in your fondant, because when there's too many CMC in your fondant, it will make it to dry out. So having the right recipe is the key. So adding it to it, I'm just going to use this spatula to stir in the CMC just like this. So after stirring in the CMC, so I'll be dividing this 1.5 kg of icing sugar. I'll be dividing it into 2. So I will just separate it, because if I will turn the mixture into it, I'm sure it will be very difficult for the mixer to work with. So it's what I normally do with my hand. I'm just using it, but this one is just like a helping tool to me. So because I now have a helping tool, I don't want to make the helping tool to suffer too. So I will just share it into 2. Yeah, just like this. So I think this one will be enough. So after adding the mixture to this one, then I'll be adding to it the way we normally cream sponge cake. Yeah, so that's what I'll be doing. I'm just going to fix the bowl into the standing mixer like this, and I'll be using this pedal whisk, because this one is, I normally use this whisk to make bread and all that. So I'll be using it because I cannot use the other type of I cannot use the other pedal attachment, so I'll be using this one. Yeah, so now we are ready to go. So I'm just going to mix this a bit. What I'll be doing next is I'll be adding in the mixture of gelatin and glucose. I'll be adding it little by little for it to form a dough. So what I'll be doing next is I'll be scraping down all the sides for everything to enter into the mixture. I'll be stirring this gradually. You can see the dough is forming already. So now I'll be adding in the remaining icing sugar. I'll be adding it gradually because I want a thick consistency. I cannot work with this consistency. So I'll still be scraping down the sides. Yeah, this consistency is very perfect. So but I'm not sure, I don't know, I should try it. I should try and put it on speed to see if it will mix very well. So I think this is the highest it can need, but it did an amazing job. So this is it. This is the consistency it gave. It's amazing, honestly. I highly recommend it, as I said before. So what I'll be doing next is I'll just use my hand to knead it. It's very strong. It came out well. Wow, I'm so grateful, honestly, for trying this out. The stress of kneading fondant, is even strong. So I'll be adding this one to it because this one is soft. When I did it the first time, it was very soft. So I'll be adding it to it. I'll just share it into two. It has elastic. So that's it, guys. So you can see the outcome of the fondant. Very pliable and it has a lot of elastic. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and your family. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.